Well,
it was on
put it on
the
the tripod if you want to.
But it seems like you're like really high.
Well, I am having to stretch my arm out that far.
Now all I can see is just my head.
Oh, there, is that better?
Stop.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Ruthie's going to now get started on her. That was your cue to say something.
Pickup truck.
What year model?
29.
What is it? Just a 29?
29 Ford pickup.
What was the first two digits of that year?
19.
Okay, you knew that. Okay, I was about to say because she was born in 2007. 2007. Can you believe that, guys? Somebody is born actually in 2007, and they're already driving. All right, so it's a 29 Ford pickup, and it's made by Monogram. All right, so get your razor blade, cut it open. It's the only one I got. She's going to butcher the only kit like this today. Let's see what's in this thing. I would have never opened it, but oh well. Just how it is when you got youngins.
Yard youngins is what he likes to call us.
When you got yard youngins, just rip it. It just tear the plastic. That poor plastic's been on there since. Actually, let's see what year. Forget what year this is. It's not on that side. 95. Okay, so 1995 edition. I think I might have said that. Okay, open her up. See what's in this thing. Oh, it's yellow. Nice.
Pretty.
I guess it would be yellow though. They tried to keep the colors the same as. They're pretty close. Let's make sure all the parts are, nothing's broke off in the bag, because your mom, I think we might have thrown a headlight away from her Jeep. I've heard good things about this model kit from people. It's a low parts count, which is good. Builds fast. So it's got a V8, probably a Chevy, but yeah, it's a Chevy. I see that's got a magneto back there in the back. Early genuine iron. Chrome trees. Oh, there's more. Okay, there's the interior. Interior and wood. Okay. Alright, so, and the tires. Alright, so you were talking about painting the body this pink coral mist for the body. Now on this one, if you'll notice, it's got black fenders and then the body is painted. Would you want to have different color fenders than the body, or would you want to do all of it? Sometimes they didn't always paint them two-tone. Sometimes.
Is this a fender?
Yeah, so the fenders, this is the fenders.
Oh.
So you see how they're black on the box?
I could do white.
Do white on the fenders? Well, that would be fine.
I don't know.
Because we need to know that going into this deal, because you would paint this separate than this. But anyway.
I'm just thinking, I don't think pumpkins are going to match the pink.
Oh, you're second guessing the pink. I thought that, but I didn't want to say anything about that. Because that's not a very fall color. Anyway, that pink color. So we'll have to check out what colors. Which one was it?
The one that was in there.
The one that was in here? Oh, that's a custom color I mixed. I can't give that away though. That video may not be up by the time this one is. Or it might be already. There may be enough to do it too, but then your truck will be the same color as mine. Alright, so I'm going to get her cutting some parts off the trees and gluing some parts together, and then we will see maybe what color paint she picks out. So tell everybody to
stand by.
Stand by. Okay, so all the parts are cleaned up except for the chrome. The chrome is still on, most of it's still on the tree. A few parts are off the tree that were on, that she's got, like the leaf spring, but all those were going to be painted black rather than to leave the leaf spring chrome and all. But so it's all mocked up here, sort of all mocked up. It's not all mocked up at all, but it's mocked up, got the engine setting in place, sort of where it would be. And I don't know. That engine just doesn't do it. What do you think, Ruthie? You like that engine?
No, it's a little small.
It's a little small. Well, you got anything in mind?
I was thinking this.
Oh. Okay. What about that? I think that would look nice. I think Alan Qualls sent us that. And that is a Ford. So it had a Chevy small block in it, and this is a Ford small block supercharged. And I think that would look good too, Ruthie. Nice choice there. I think it would make a lot more noise than that old raggedy Chevy motor. Alright, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to work with her to try to get this resin. I don't know if it's a 289. I don't know if it's what it is because the camera won't focus. You guys gotta love my camera. But it is a small block Ford. There it is. That's resin printed. Alan, my friend Alan, I just did a video on these parts, and I mentioned it to Ruthie, and she said, "Yeah, that'd be cool." So it'd be like a hot rod pumpkin wagon. So I think that may be the direction she goes, and I kind of think maybe I'll help her with some zoomies coming out of it instead of exhaust headers that are leading down into the truck. Because it's an open sided, the truck doesn't have sides on the hood. And let me get this thing back on autofocus. Okay, maybe it's not on autofocus. There we go. Gosh, this camera. Anyway, so the truck doesn't have sides on the hood, so here is that the one I had? There it is right here. It's hidden under here. Take that one. So maybe some zoomies coming out of the sides would look cool.
You can't really put it on.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to get it on. You can do it with the tweezers. Here you go. Take the tweezers. The short part, the short bend. There you go, just like that. So what you think, guys? Maybe some zoomies coming out of the hood, out from the sides, because it screams hot rod pumpkin mobile. Oh, and the color. She changed her mind on the color. So, and she said that she didn't think that coral mist was much of a what do you call it?
It didn't go good with a pumpkin orange.
It didn't go good with the pumpkin orange theme. So she was digging around in the colors, and she found Jaguar Racing Green, and that is a really nice color. So it looks like it might be Jaguar Racing Green. And were we going to do the fenders the same color, or were they going to be black? Because on the this is two-toned, and she doesn't know yet if she wants to two-tone it or have green fenders and green a proportion or not. But what about it? Go ahead and make a decision right now. You don't have to.
I don't know.
You can think about it. She was looking for earlier. She was looking for a color that would complement the green on the fenders. Obviously, black complements it, but she was thinking maybe some sort of cream color or something. But she's not sure about that. But anyway, I'm not going to rush her on that. So that's pretty cool. And this is going to be a quick build, except for that. So that will slow us down a little bit. And what you think? Having fun? Nice. Going to look nice. If you guys know anywhere, let me turn this camera around so I can look at it. Oh, without my glasses on. Now I just took my glasses off, so now I can't see the screen very well. But if any of you guys know where she could find maybe some pumpkin patch decals or something like that, that would be pretty cool for the side door. It'd have to be small because these are really small doors on this thing. But something like that might look good. Like, I don't know. I think if you guys know anyone that does like custom decals, I can't remember if it was Lucas C or who it was talking not too long ago about they had a person that was making custom decals, and it would be cool if we could get her some custom decals maybe. But anyway, nevertheless, it's coming along pretty neat. So this is a really short video. Just wanted to open it up, and she made a color choice. I think she's made an engine choice. We may change our mind once we get into that, but I'm going to help her as much as I can without building it for her. and let her have fun picking colors. Girls just like to pick colors. That's the most fun for girls, is pick colors. Decorating and picking colors. Yeah, there you go. The guys, they like the supercharged small block Ford stuff. You sure, Daddy? Yes, Ruthie. That would make a hot rod pumpkin mobile. And there's my phone. So let me silence this. It's Miss Heather calling. She won't mind if I silence it. All right, so I think we're going to end this video. Ruthie, do you have one thing you want to say about something that you just started?
Started? What?
YouTube?
Oh, I was like, what? I started a YouTube channel, and
What's it called?
It's called Simply Ruth. I know I'm gonna think of a different name, but that's all I can think of right now. But I would really appreciate it if you would go and subscribe to my channel to help me.
To help her. It's Simply Ruth. It will be linked in the description of this video. So she does a really good job. She only has 2 videos right now. At the filming of this, she only has 2 videos, but she has a lot of stuff that she's filmed. She just has not put them on YouTube, so she's going to start regularly putting them up, and I think she's going to do well, because if you like to watch cooking that has no voices, it's a channel for you.
It's not just cooking. Well, right now it is, but
well, it's like cooking and like
just like calming videos.
It's just a calming video. So if you come home from work, guys, you've had a stressful day, just turn on Simply Ruth and watch a video, and you'll just go right to sleep. She does a real good job. I'm very impressed. It's with the same editing software that I use, and why can't I do that? But anyway, I don't think.
Classical music with your model cars?
Classical music with my model cars, yeah. So, alright, so we're going to cut this video here. Short video, but just wanted to show you her opening the box, getting her parts cut off the tree. And again, this is very minimal parts. This is it. I mean, other than the chrome parts, there's not much. When I say not much to this kit, there's not many parts to it. But it's a classic Monogram Ford 29 Ford pickup, which is really cool. And I'm jealous because it's the only one I have. I'll get another one, I promise you. Alright, so Ruthie, any last words? Facebook group, MCW, HobbyNut Models. Go check out Mark. We're going to be painting this using the HobbyNut Models wireless, tankless mini compressor. So that's what this is going to get painted with when Ruthie does her painting. I think we'll probably paint everything. Paint the black, paint everything with that little air compressor. Probably do everything with the airbrush rather than rattle can it. And that'll give Ruthie some more airbrush experience. But go check out HobbyNut Models. Go check out the Facebook group. Go check out my spring store. And to my Patreon members, thank you so much for your support. Alright, we're done. So, see you next time.
Bye.